Oh, what's the Tagalog? Go ahead. What's the Tagalog of sad?
Makulot.
Makulit.
Mama.
What's the Tagalog of sad?
Mama.
Ay?
Look.
What's makulot? Malungkot? My God.
Balungkot.
What's the Tagalog of... Look! What's the Tagalog of kuya?
Kuya is the guy.
What? What is Tagalog? It's like kaibigan.
Oh. Kaibigan is a...
Friend.
Friend. What's the Tagalog of sun?
Araw.
What's the Tagalog of moon?
Wait first. I want to show you the
Oh my
pictures
God.
and you're gonna do it for me.
Oh, you're cheating.
Wait, dude.
You're cheating. You're cheating. You're reading the answer. Kendricks, right, Kendricks?
Kuya, you're not.
Oh, give me the paper so you will not know the answer.
Yeah, you're
You're
cheating.
cheating.
What's the Tagalog of bed?
If I show it to you, you're gonna need to get. You're gonna need me to guess it.
And you're the one who's teaching me, not vice versa.
Okay, what's the Tagalog?
What's the Tagalog of house?
Bahay.
You're cheater.
What's this one?
What's the Tagalog of pillow?
Unan.
Oh my God, you're reading it.
Yeah. I'm
Who's
not
that,
reading
Kendrick?
it,
Go
dude.
ahead, what's
Everybody is
next?
so loud, right?
What's next?
Everybody is so loud, right?
What's the Tagalog of happy?
Masaya.
Mama, no.
What's the Tagalog of sad?
Wait first.
Oh, okay.
Ingay
Ba yan?
na mama, no.
Oh, next.
Ingay na naman
Here.
yung Jix, no.
What's the Tagalog of paper?
Papel.
Papaw.
Next. Oh my God, you're so slow. Ay, tutupin ang kumot ko. Hindi ilalagay sa ilalim ng unan, ha?
No.
What's the Tagalog of school?
Paaralan.
What?
Paaralan.
Paaralan. Okay. Next.
It's kalan. Right.
What's the Tagalog of pencil?
Lapis.
Are you on a rush?
He's reading it. What's the Tagalog of father?
Tatay. Yeah.
You're reading it before giving it.
Yeah.
You're cheating.
Cheater. What's the Tagalog of bed?
Kama.
Okay.
You're right again.
What about Tagalog words that is not on the card? So you're not gonna cheat.
Tagalog of chair.
Celia.
How about
No.
table?
Chair. What's the Tagalog of chair?
What's the Tagalog of moon?
Juan.
What's the
Sa
Tagalog of,
ilalim ng puti.
what's the Tagalog of cheeks? What's the Tagalog of cheeks? Oh.
I thought you're sleepy.
Oh.
What's the Tagalog of milk?
Megatas.
What's milk? What's migatas?
Oh.
Ay,
Look. What's the Tagalog of cheeks? Oh.
No, it's meat.
Oh.
Meat.
Meat? It's not meat.
carne?
It's not meat, right? It's not meat, Tuya.
What's the Tagalog of
Wow.
night?
It's
Gabi.
not meat, Tuya Wok.
Noche.
Tuya Wok. Tuya Wok is so... Tuya Wok is not smart, right?
Book.
I
Libro.
don't want to be like Tuya Wok. Everybody here is so loud. Mama and Tuya Wok is so loud.
Who is loud?
Mama and Wok is so
Table.
loud.
Mesa.
But I did ask you 30 to answer. That means you're a cheater.
Yung Jex is listening. Niya say kuya?
Friend.
Kaibigan.
You're reading
Kuya.
it.
I'm not writing it,
Oh,
dude. Ugh.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh my God.
Ow.
Oh, what else?
It's already folded. You're missing it again.
I just need something concept over here.
What else? No more?
Wait,
I think I'm
first-
gonna give you a word that is not in the
Yeah.
cards.
It's not in the card, right, Mama?
What kind of word?
Ano
Like food.
Ang ginawa
What is
sa akin ni Uya?
food in
Lagyan mo
Tagalog?
nakatawil ni Uya. Ano ba yan, Uya?
You need to read a lot.
Yung
a lot
mga
of
tawel, Uya.
Tagalog first.
Yeah. Or how about teacher? Oh, you know the teacher, right? What's Tagalog of teacher?
Gabi.
Huh? Uy, I'm asking. What's Tagalog of teacher?
Funny mo.
Don't steal my card.
What's Tagalog of teacher?
Stop really stealing my cards.
Ay,
What's the Tagalog
nakulok.
of teacher?
Puro.
Oh, good
What's
job.
the Tagalog of stairs?
Night.
Stairs.
What is stairs?
Night.
Night?
Stairs. What's the Tagalog of stairs?
Night.
It's hagdan.
What is ears? In Tagalog.
What's this? Tagalog. Oh my god.
I just don't know, dude.
You're grade 2,
Tenga.
you don't know Tagalog.
It's tenga. What is nose?
What is not? What is
How
not
about
in Tagalog?
eyes?
Stop.
Eyes.
It's not in Tagalog. Look, stop doing that.
The cat.
Okay, how about face?
I don't know.
Face is mukha.
Mukha.
Cara.
Ooh.
Cara. English, no?
A cara.
That's it, Spanish.
No, I'm saying in the Spanish.
May pasa tuhod niya.
Doo doo.
What happened to your niece?
Dami to this and this.
Oh my god.
And I do this one.
What happened to this?
Ah!
Oh. It's a big one. What happened?
Did you fall?
Oh my god.
Fell?
Don't go downstairs. You go downstairs, I'm not gonna give you.